thing. Let's just say, for example, you are promoting Uber Eats. What is it that you're going to promote about Uber Eats that's going to help you get this person to sign up using specifically your link? So most profitable affiliate marketers are able to drive traffic regardless of which distribution channel that they're using. Hi Louise, welcome to Community Living with your girl Malewu. If you're new to the channel, please remember to subscribe, and if you're stopping back by and continuously supporting the channel, you know the jingle by now, so sing along with me. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. So thank you to each and everyone that has been subscribing, commenting, liking and sharing. We have reached 10,000 subscribers, such a huge milestone for me, and I'm really elated, guys. I can't express how much I really just thank each and everyone that has been subscribing throughout the past almost 3 years now. The channel launched on 1st of March 2020, and now almost 3 years later we've reached the first big milestone, which is the second biggest, because the first biggest is 1,000 subscribers. That 1,000 subscribers, y'all, is not easy. So thank you. I'm gonna get straight into today's episode, how to become an affiliate marketer. So I've been getting this question a lot from quite a number of my students or clients, asking me, how do I actually go about becoming an affiliate marketer? What exactly do I need to do to become an affiliate marketer, right? So we're going to be answering that question in this episode. But before we start with the nitty-gritties of what you need to do, we're going to start off with prayer. Revere God, because he's worthy to be praised, he's worthy to be served. So let's get into it. Father, we come to you in the mighty name of our Lord Jesus Christ. We thank you for this day. Thank you for the person that's joining, oh Lord, Father. Father, as we're about to teach the topic on affiliate marketing, we ask that you assist whoever has clicked on this video, Father, to have a perfect understanding of what it is that we're talking about when it comes to affiliate marketing, and how they can be able to utilize it in their journey. We thank you, Father, for this channel. We thank you for the person that has joined, and we thank you for the digital community that you're helping us to grow on a daily basis. In the mighty name of our Lord Jesus Christ, amen. So most profitable affiliate marketers are able to drive traffic regardless of which distribution channel that they're using. And I know I'm introducing a concept that is new. What is traffic? What is driving it, right? So traffic just means that there are a bunch of people that are seeing whatever content that you are creating, and they're able to watch the content, and after watching the content, go and click on your link. Or if it's an ad, they are definitely clicking on that ad because it's placed in a strategic way. The profitability of affiliate marketing comes with that, the ability to drive traffic. And traffic can be organic or can be paid for. Organic traffic is things like social media, which you don't necessarily have to pay to put up your content on social media platform, or you can create an ad for the purpose of driving traffic. So after someone sees this specific ad, they will come to your page, see what you're all about, click on your links, and hopefully convert to someone that's able to help you in achieving your goals as an affiliate marketer, right? And obviously, as someone that is starting out, the traffic that is paid for is not sustainable. So the only option that you might have initially is to try and create content organically, meaning you are going to create content on platforms that allow you to create content organically, not by paying. This includes things like social media platforms and community forums. Things like blogs, you might need to pay, right? It might not be a substantial amount as well. So there are some costs obviously associated with posting content on social media, but you aren't necessarily paying each and every single time you post. So things like data do go into this. Things like the equipment that you're using go into the social media content that you are creating as well. But you need to look at it from an angle of, like, in terms of every single time I create and post, I don't necessarily pay. So that's what we mean by this is organic traffic. So these are people that find your content in one form or the other. You can definitely learn how to create content for free. You don't necessarily need to pay for specific courses, but you get to a point where the content that you're creating maybe is a bit stagnant. Then you can opt for courses and things like that. Courses are not a bad thing, guys. We must also get into the culture of being able to see what is value for money. If something is going to provide a return on investment, it's a good thing to invest in. Even with Varsity, you go there, you invest your money. It's still a risky investment, because at the end of the day, just because you went to Varsity does not guarantee that you'll get a job. Just because you created content does not mean you'll be able to drive traffic, does not mean that your affiliate programs will become successful and so forth, and you will be able to make money through affiliate marketing. But it's a good start, right? Being able to create content, being able to put it out there, being able to market your content as well, get it out there and get it in front of so many people. After you've created content, obviously you might get a bit of traffic. Might is the key word. So not every single creator that's been creating content consistently gets the traffic, but consistency is very key when it comes to content creation. Consistency, quality, and just creating value adding content is also super key. After you've grown a following, you then now learn how to incorporate affiliate marketing. But you don't even have to get to 1,000 followers. I'd say start as little as 100 followers. Start as little as the people that you have on your WhatsApp. You can start to learn the art of being an affiliate marketer. Promoting things is not easy. Getting people to sign up is not easy, but you need to educate people. You need to take people through the entire life cycle to say, okay, when I'm promoting this thing, let's just say, for example, you are promoting Uber Eats, right? So what is it that you're going to promote about Uber Eats that's going to help you get this person to sign up using specifically your link? So you need to understand all those things and promote from that understanding to say, okay, this person is going to click on my link, but this is how I am able to make them to click on my link, right? You need to think about it holistically. And even after they clicked on your link, clicking on your link doesn't mean that they will actually sign up or actually buy using Uber Eats. So how do you then get them to do that? From my experience, what I've found is that if you are able to show the entire process from start to finish, then it's easy to get a lot of conversions. So if you're able to show yourself like, oh, I signed up using Uber Eats, I got 150 rands for my next order. I just need to maybe pay $10, or maybe my first order is going to be free up to a value of 150. And once I got that, and you're going to show that throughout. So whether it's written content or whether it's video content, you need to show every single aspect of that step by step in a way that is methodical, in a way that shows the customer what they need to do to be able to get the 150, and how your link basically helps them in that entire process. Another question that I get is, where do I get affiliate links? Most affiliate links or referral links are right underneath our noses. There is a catch-22 in a sense of some of these big affiliate programs that people want to join with zero traffic or zero following, is that they actually want you to have the traffic first before you apply. So they need you to start from level 0, grow your traffic. Once you have the traffic, you go and apply. But what do you do in the meantime before you get to these high ticket affiliate programs? You need to grow the traffic, as I mentioned, and you need to learn the skill as well. So you can apply for things that don't necessarily need a lot of traffic. Things like Uber Eats doesn't necessarily need you to be, an influencer, doesn't necessarily need you to have a lot of traffic if you're doing your like blogs and stuff. Let's just say you are into making meals or creating recipes and all those things. This is a good referral program to be a part of, because you do have an audience that is looking for the meals that you've prepared. If you can tell them, oh, okay, I bought this spice from Pick n Pay, it was this amount. If you want the spice from Pick n Pay, you can use my Pick n Pay ASAP account and be able to order it from your home. It gets delivered to your home, and by the time you want to create this meal, you'll be able to create it without having went to the store, right? That's a simple analogy. That's essentially what you will do. The content you will create, the content you're going to create was the content that you're going to create, which was preparing a meal or creating a recipe that can be followed. But in that, you're also telling people where they can find the ingredients that you are talking about, because that's what people can buy in that entire thing, right? And you can also make money in different ways. You can create a recipe book, right? But we're not getting into that. So it's just different ways that you can monetize as someone that's creating content. But what we are focusing on right now is affiliate marketing. And then let's just say, for example, you are into skincare routines, then you can look into the skincare lines that are part of Pick n Pay. Then you'll say, okay, I actually bought this thing from Pick n Pay and I got it for this amount. So if you are looking for this particular product, you can use this link and it gets delivered to your house. So one, you've made this person's life easy, you've added value because you've created content that speaks to them. They are maybe struggling with dry skin. You're showing them the product that is for dry skin individuals, and once they've used it, they will achieve the same result as you were able to achieve. And you've shown them where exactly to get it, how much is it, and also another part of it maybe would be the fact that it gets delivered to their house. We're in a day and age of convenience, so people want things that are convenient. When you speak about a phone, oh, I got my phone for 12k, and then they check like game is like 13k or whatever the case might be, they would want to know, where did you get your phone for 12k? And if you have an affiliate link of that specific store, then you'll earn money. So that's essentially how to start affiliate marketing. Start very small. It's not going to just go from zero to joining very high affiliate programs. I'm going to create a video that just talks about the affiliate programs I was able to join as a result of now being able to drive traffic on my social media, right? And I'll show you that I do get rejected for some of them. Even as someone that is able to drive traffic, you're not going to be able to join every single affiliate marketing program, but you have to join the ones that are suitable for you. And even if they don't take you for these programs, there's still referral links, there's still other things you can do to make money. And I hope this was able to enlighten someone as to how affiliate marketing works and how they can be able to incorporate it in the content that they're already creating. In the case that you're a content creator and you haven't been using this method, please do look into it, because you're leaving money on the table by not taking advantage of products and services that are out there that you can promote with the content that you're already creating. You don't have to wait for brand deals, you don't have to wait for campaigns and those things to be able to make money. And actually, affiliate marketing can be one of your biggest income streams as a content creator. So thank you very much for tuning in. I really hope that this content speaks to someone and has enlightened you on your journey as an affiliate marketer. May God bless.